Good morning. Good morning. Today we're taking a look at the Aura coin on the USD pairing. So, checking in here, we had this kind of pullback and then some buys stepped in. Ooh, how cool is that? So now we're back into the range. So we kind of deviated below the range level here, set this higher low overall compared to the initial start of wave one with a larger WXY correction coming into play here. So I think, hopefully, we're getting close to wrapping this thing up. The biggest thing that I think that I saw yesterday that was just so awesome was this 3-day, right? So here's your 3-day price action. Super controlled sideways chop here of accumulations of buyers and sellers switching hands, right? But this was the key here. Yesterday I believe we were just sitting at a slight positive, but now it's definitely moving to the upside, and you can see this beautiful RSI bounce right off of that 40 level, which is what expected for a bullish structure. So the fact that we're all the way back down here and accumulating into the zone, I think we're going to continue to see chop to the side, maybe even slightly down. But just like what we did back here, where all of a sudden it took off, you see that little accumulation on the 3-day, right? So if this plays up and just price actions here, we know accumulation's happening. And this was the most prevalent, completely down in price action. And this is what you saw in the background as the RSI on the 3-day was moving to the upside. So this was the bullish divergence of price action falling and RSI rising on momentum for the 3-day, leading to this explosive parabolic move, and then it just tapered and faded. And then you have another large explosion that came off of this level here. So sideways chop, right? Maybe even down slightly at the end. And yet during that time, the RSI is moving up. And now here we are again, redoing the same trade a third time. This time now, we can see that the RSI is moving to, this is Stoch RSI is moving upward. And you can see that price action is still coming down. So we're actually building yet again another bullish divergence, but this time with hopefully the bottoming of the market playing out. So we should be checking this out here pretty soon and having a good time. Where exactly we're going to end up going, I don't know when this will play out, but it's getting close. So we'll check in soon, and thank you so much for watching. And I'm for Aura getting us up to this 1 and even beyond, which would be amazing. So that would be a good return day. And then let's grab that. Yeah, it's already lowering these percentages as we're just with that one little candle. So this is the opportunity if you're thinking of wanting this asset, not financial advice. So talk to you soon, and thanks so much for watching.